Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Getting Started with Python, Basic Practice Questions and Code Examples. Introduction. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language used in a wide range of applications, from web development to data science. To master Python, it's crucial to practice coding regularly. In this tutorial, we'll explore some basic practice questions along with code examples to help you strengthen your Python skills. Let's start with the classic Hello, World program. This simple exercise ensures you have Python installed and can run a basic script. Practice working with variables and different data types. Here's an example. Get comfortable taking user input using the input function. Practice using if, elif, and else statements. Explore for and while loops. Practice working with lists and arrays. Create and call functions to promote code modularity. Learn basic file handling operations. Conclusion. These basic practice questions cover fundamental concepts in Python programming. Regular practice is essential to reinforce your understanding and build confidence. As you progress, consider tackling more advanced challenges to further enhance your Python skills. Happy coding! ChatGPT